on our Aus Palangi show. We say Arvinaka to only sing a Monday to Arvinaka, Illinois, and Arvinaka Demes.
Yarvinaka, everybody tuning in from every vehicle this morning, to all the drivers and passengers. A very good morning to you all. Also, to all the mothers that are tuning in from home, maybe starting their day with their daily chores this morning, or maybe having breakfast this beautiful morning. I'm saying good morning to all of you. Thank you for tuning in this beautiful
Good morning to all the people around Fiji.
Yeah.
And also from the past few miles away from Fiji.
Right?
From overseas, good morning to you. Some of us, we are going for a happy hour. And ngande. Some of us, we went for the walking. And some of us, we are going for goods. But we are thankful that we are joining together in the 92.2 FM for the VTFM this morning. How are you, Noah?
I am great.
How's your weekend? Great.
Oh, it was, it's nice because I get to work on Saturday and take a day off on Sunday. So on Sunday, I was very happy because I get to spend time with my family. Right. That's why I enjoy my weekend.
Huh?
How's your weekend?
Oh, just stayed home. I was working on Saturday. I called you on Saturday.
Yeah,
we were in Lambasa.
to show off the weekend.
I'm not sure.
He was in the plane.
I was thank everybody, the people coming together for the charity, for the appeal.
True.
Thank you very much. Thank you. For whatever you
gave.
You gave on the day. That money, the donation will be directly to the people who are being affected by cancer. Thank you, Lambasa. Thank you, the Kondroven Madwata.
Friendly North.
Thank you to the Friendly North for being there.
Fish.
To support.
You eat fish?
Crab.
Pasela.
Fish, prawn.
Curry.
Oh, Satya and Jay from Sargam and Naptarang, we went together with Iva. That's the first time for her to board on the plane and also going to Bonwaliw.
Oh, it's a nice people,
Okay.
Yeah, nice, because the nicest is, the nicest is, because we went on the sunny day in the morning, went on the we went to the sunny day in the morning, back in the afternoon, rainy and thunderstorm.
But you wanted to have spent the night in Lambasa?
Yeah.
Right.
I miss Lambasa. Long time. I see the difference in the town of Lambasa. The Bibakatura Dakitaki
Right.
is there. It's happening. I went on the corner where one shop was there, was burned. Now I come there, fulfill one building. Many companies from Suba, they are there in Lambasa.
The motor.
Town,
Oh, so
Has you seen the motor city there?
yeah, before that the place was way.
Right. See?
Now, fulfill.
Magandua.
The town is there.
Fulfill the prophecy.
Before from the Nasekula side, we just went there, the town just end on the bridge where the grog stall was. Now you look outside, the lights carry on. Nararama siya wang katawang kanibaya. Because the town is there.
After how many years? Then you get to
1 year.
What?
I just 1 year from Lambasa.
You went to check the ladies at the parcel area?
I want to check, but no time for me. After that, we went for a restaurant. After restaurant, I was like this, hey, we go to the parcel. But was there, some of the people was there. Okay, come. We will shout for you today, you people. Thank you, you'll come. And we have lunch at Takia. Thanks to the manager of the local timber in Wele, Lambasa. For being there for the support. And also the lawyer, the number G10.
Right.
Brala, and Binaka, thank you very much. Thank you. Lucky
they came. It's one day trip to Lambasa.
Right.
If they spend the night in Lambasa,
no!
We can hear stories from this one.
Even one sign, when he comes back, look at his face, all clean.
If he spend the night in Lambasa, he will follow back that sugarcane farm, where he see the light in the darkness of the...
I was there, I was like this, lucky, I told lucky if we sleep. Good, so that we can...
enjoy the night.
And he said, no, enjoy the night. Just, this is
Right.
This is Lambasa. We go to
Right.
Malau, to War side,
Right.
If no, we go to the Budambalabu at Nangingi side. One Budambalabu, the straight one. Oh, so long.
Yeah.
If you are at one corner, you never see the people coming from there. Very small.
Oh.
Sandina.
Yeah. Untuk ang Budambalabu tika. That's a Korbatu.
Yeah.
Go like that Nangingi side.
Yeah, no, we keep looking at my Lambasa.
One day I'll take you to, we will go to the Three Sisters Mountain.
Lidaka.
We go and visit the Three Sisters Mountain.
So they are sisters or what?
They assist Erto Ulibon Wetolu.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Erto 2 Bosarto Bango.
How will we get up there? Walk up.
Use your leg.
Yeah. Okay, talking about the legs and the feet, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, nanon ribaba na ngonelewa. Sa
Okay.
ribaba na marama.
Nice.
Right.
Oh, dem so kire mo na pagmada takamanda. Nanon ribaba tagalibaba na marama and ngonongo eh. Pipto.
Pipto is a
What type of shoe?
Yeah, the shoe
Yeah.
Right.
that you use while you alone.
What?
Kung matanggal ibaba kung pipto.
Yeah.
And dun na liu,
Yeah.
ramba na muri. Yes, that's a pipto. Okay na puno because every shoes.
Okay, chapeau in front.
Yeah.
Rabas at the back.
Rabas at the back. And dun liu ramba muri.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the one.
All right, okay.
Right.
Pumps. Apa betul kalau nak kelamin nak pumps
Yeah.
na marama.
The palm is a normal one that we use in the Sunday service.
Yeah.
Right.
We go to town sometimes for the office.
Yeah.
It's very easy because it's very comfortable.
Mary Jane.
Mary Jane
Yeah.
is a kind of shoes
Yes.
that mostly wear in the dance, the club.
Right. Yeah.
That's a Mary Jane one because the bottom.
Yeah.
Right.
It's
Bottom plate.
Bottom plate.
Yeah.
The bottom plate is deeper from the back plate.
Right.
Here.
Right. Wana na. Tutok mo. Tutok mo binanggor. Mga tapon na combat boots.
Combat. This is a kind of a boot that we use in the war.
The design. Eh?
You know what?
Like,
The
the
design.
design
Ikaw,
is
kung
similar,
tayo na
yes.
Yeah.
Kung mga tayo na iwalo.
Right.
Right.
The design, like that.
Okay. Wana na. Hey, ira na riding boots.
Riding boot.
Right.
It's a kind of boot you wear when you're riding someone.
What?
Mo papa, eh?
Yeah.
Mo papa.
Yeah.
Rona na riding boot.
Yeah.
And then the undara nangon and the papa tukin na pintua.
Baka na po ito kasi.
Mamalagtag.
You wear this when you are on somebody. Iyo.
Okay.
Kombaleta e baba rawa.
Yeah.
Rawa. It's hardly you wear this
Why?
on the wedding day.
You are already on somebody. Why do you need to wear that shoes?
Because you will go on the other side rainy because touching the car, it's like the paper plate.
Yeah.
When catch the water, the thing wet. And
And you get drunk and you eat the boot.
yeah. And you go outside, sa kontor mo na pinaka, then you wear.
Okay.
Come.
Kitten heels.
Huh?
Kitten heels.
Kitten heel is a kind of shoes
Yeah.
where you used to kick the kitten.
One and now. Okay. Second last one go.
My.
Ano go? Boat shoes.
Boat
Boat
shoes.
shoes. This is the kind of shoes that we wear during
Konon rapa pa naman ramang go. Boat
Yeah.
shoes.
boat.
Yeah,
Boat
boat shoes.
Yeah, boat shoes. The kind of it's like the boat,
Right.
in shape.
Right.
Eh?
Shaped like a boat.
Yeah, shaped like a boat. Okay, ramba.
Doon mo binaka.
Daw mga takin na kaninunu.
Right. The last one for us this morning, Demezi, is the high heels.
High heels.
Yeah.
This is my favorite.
Right. Oh, you always wear high heels.
Magandua.
My favorite when I'm
The
seeing
weekend,
somebody.
ito si Jobo ko ya.
Sa ni job
When I'm seeing somebody.
Men raw ni pa wow.
Hey,
Huh?
you very risky.
When you see somebody wearing high heels, that's a favorite.
Oh, I thought
Because
when you sing
they
somebody.
prepared for
Right.
the falling is coming in front.
Oh, okay.
Because if you wear this in town on the nightclub, when you wear see someone is wearing, it's very hard for them to go down by knees. Because he or she is worried about his shoes.
Right.
Because when the time of going down,
Yeah.
that's the time you'll hear the cracking of the shoes. See? That's high heels. Don't wear anyhow. Don't wear. It have a proper place to be wear.
So the people, the ladies that wear high heels, can they use it as a weapon as well?
Yes, they can use for weapon.
Yes.
But
The heels at the back, eh?
the heels at the
Yes.
back. But you are not allowed
Yeah.
to use at anyone.
Yeah.
Try not to make the girl angry.
Yeah, because some people they use that for weapon, eh?
Yes.
And when they are facing difficulties in life.
Yeah.
So the thing is, sasa ni rawa ni weapon, lumatanga dombalinga mo vivi.
The back of your hand.
Yeah.
It's very good to try it on.
I know, ah. Kere.
Kana dundu to kay muria.
Ke dombay muringo si malala. Siyato ni sigat na.
Marango, kaya sabi ko Messi. Like one sickness came over you, eh?
Right.
Sangay may tubig ko na matinggo. Iksa tatale na sulitangan eh. Iksa berkatangan na non resulo na eleor.
Right.
Musa antara.
Ngay.
Let's see pa na high heels.
Iya.
Musa mo talitak.
Ay
Iksa tatale canvas na boot na flip flop.
Baka mo sa fentag, mo fentag ka?
Ang bakibide do kinakango.
Go, may utsa
Go
ka
sir nga ako. Na namubuli to nga ako mo sa talita ka na kay Ray.
After this
nga ako sala ka sir nga lipa bulir no mabatiteng.
May three ko tanga high heels kere.
Mo ko siguro tubo ko sa cute na tumba. Ali sir tunga mo to onre bani motolo. LT1 to fit. Mbule bina talingo dabs. Ni mbule bina bina malebu. Bile senia.
The Messi is a high heeler.
Ayaw sambu no. Kere.
Prepare for falling. Demon China. Yan pinaka kosita, yan pinaka ilestre tukana, nani sena ya balulebu, musu dola bina, bila senia eneri ratu, yan pinaka bulan nakwa. Mita signa, yan pinaka wisele andui koro.
Saan din yung basi komite signa?
Isa.
Kai?
Pero kita sana tahu ke, pakai lucu nak kata-kata lolis tu dia nak matang di kuah. Menara kita mental nak matang di mata kemaru tegi cuci bulan, go kurmundu.
El na tomoni.
Miss.
Ni kalau ngata